If you're considering using the Barclays US app for your finances, there are a few things you should know before diving in. In this video, we'll break down what the Barclays US app offers, how it compares to other financial apps, and whether it's the right choice for you. Let's start with the basics. Barclays US is a major player in the finance app space, offering a mobile experience for managing your banking, credit cards, and more. But how does it stack up against competitors like Chase, Bank of America, or even newer apps like Mint? The first thing you should know is that Barclays US offers a streamlined, user-friendly interface. Unlike some apps that are cluttered or hard to navigate, Barclays focuses on simplicity, making it easy to check your balance, pay bills, or transfer money on the go. Compared to other apps, this one is noticeably more intuitive. Next thing to note is that Barclays US specializes in credit cards, making it a great choice if you're looking for an app to manage your credit accounts. From tracking rewards to managing your payments, it provides a comprehensive set of tools for cardholders. Other apps like Chase or Capital One may offer similar features, but Barclays has a robust rewards program that's worth exploring. The third thing you need to know is that Barclays offers strong security features. Their two-factor authentication and biometric login options add an extra layer of protection. While many banks now provide this, Barclays' security measures feel particularly secure and reliable. Fourth thing is Barclays US's customer support. While the app is easy to use, if you need assistance, you might find their customer support lacking compared to competitors like Bank of America, which has more accessible and responsive channels. Still, Barclays does provide support through various methods, including phone and chat. Fifth thing, Barclays has a wide range of account types, including savings accounts, CDs, and personal loans. This gives you a lot of flexibility, but if you're looking for checking account features like overdraft protection or easy access to ATMs, you might find that apps from other banks, like Wells Fargo or Chase, offer more extensive coverage. Sixth, Barclays US integrates with third-party apps like PayPal and Venmo, so you can easily link your Barclays account for quick payments and transfers. However, if you need more integrations for budgeting or investment management, apps like Mint or Personal Capital might be a better choice. The seventh thing you need to know is that the Barclays US app works well for both iPhone and Android users, with consistent performance across devices. However, some users report occasional slowdowns or bugs with newer iOS versions, so it's something to watch out for if you're an Apple user. Eighth, Barclays US's mobile check deposit feature is easy to use, allowing you to deposit checks without visiting a branch. This feature is on par with what you'd find at other major banks, but keep in mind that not all checks are accepted, and it can take a little time for your funds to become available. Ninth, the Barclays US app offers financial tools to help you budget, track spending, and set savings goals. However, compared to apps like Mint, the budgeting features here are more basic. If you want more in-depth analysis and tracking, you might prefer a more specialized app. 10th thing, Barclays US offers push notifications to alert you about payments, transactions, and account activity, but it could use more customization options. You can't set up notifications for every small event like you can with other apps, and this might be a drawback for those who prefer to be more hands-on. 11th, if you're looking to earn interest on your savings, Barclays US offers competitive interest rates on savings accounts. While this is certainly an advantage, it's not the highest on the market. Some online banks like Ally or Marcus by Goldman Sachs provide even better rates. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that Barclays US is a solid app for managing your finances, especially if you're focused on credit cards and rewards. However, it doesn't offer as many features as some of its competitors, so if you're after a more comprehensive financial management tool, there might be better options out there. All in all, Barclays US is a good option if you're primarily interested in credit card management and basic banking services. But if you want a more robust solution with deeper financial tools, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.